Hello guys, I'm from Radical Tech Art Solution Private Limited, and today we are going to discuss about one software which we have developed, one smart software. So we will going to discuss about on that software, how to configure that software and where it can be used. So you can see here our software. In this video, we are going to teach you how to configure this software with our 8-channel data logger. This software can be for all devices which gives Modbus output. It is based on customized applications. If you want to check your Modbus output in your PC, you can store the data by PDF format, PNG and graphical representation. And to generate any file, you should follow some steps. So let's configure. First of all, you have to log in with this software. So select user label, select administrator, then username is admin. Password is also admin. Login. You have successfully logged in as an administrator. Then developer mode. Sign in with also same admin. Password is also same admin. Sign in. Then you have successfully logged in with this software. Secondly, you can see here one option that can measure your data in minutes and hours. You can store your data with the help of minute or hour. So here I select my data logging with 1 minute. It can measure 1 minute data. You can select the range as per your requirements. Its maximum limit is 100. So you can select from your choice. Now you should check the connection setup. So setup, COM setup, then you should check about COM port from your device. So here I select COM3 as per my device. You can check from device manager and then save. After that, protocol should be Modbus. So select that. Then the controller which I connect, it's ID 1 and I select decimal point 1. You can select as per your choice. DPT is a decimal point. You can select also unit from this various units. Here I select centigrade for my temperature value. You can use this as an indicator and controller both. So currently I choose as an indicator. Okay, so you can add the 24 channels with this software. Also you can add 3 pages. Its maximum limit is 3 pages. Like this, you can add 3 pages, and in each page you can add 24 channels. Now I select only page 1 for one controller, and now I connect. You can change the values for display from here. Just click on this controller and it can be changed. So now I connect this. So you can see here My controller gives the reading 49.8 degrees centigrade from my controller channel 1. Here I use 8 channel data logger, so I connect 8 channel. So firstly I disconnect this, then add 8 controller here for 8 channel. I choose various. ID will be same because it is one controller only, but the value in this channel are different. So display is 1. In our software it takes from 0 to 7 for 8 channel. So you can see here I change accordingly. Okay, so now I connect this for watching the reading for 8 channel. So you can see this for 8 channel reading. I can measure whole the data. Now I want to save this as a PDF format. So go through the history, then select a file from where it saved. It's in C drive, then Radical, then Vision C, then device. My data will be stored here. So this last data 1127 I select, open. Now I select only PV1, PV2, PV3, PV4, PV5, PV6, PV7, PV8. Okay. So all the channel data are shown here. Now I want to save this file as a Radical 2, Radical 2, then export PDF. You can store here. I store this on my desktop. Radical 2, then save. It is saved successfully. Now you can see the graph representation as well. So here it is. You can see the graphical representation of my data for all channels, which we have 8 channels. So here you can see the 8 data. You can label also. Here X label is time, Y is temperature. Header is our Radical TechArt. So now I want to save this image as a PNG. So I can change this in PNG format. It is saved. Now I want to save this as a PDF format. I can do as well. In PDF format, I save this Radical graph 1. So it will be saved as a Radical graph 1 on my desktop. It's saved. So done exporting. My data will be stored. So these are the configuration for graphical representation. You can check the data as well, adding by page 2 and 3. Now I disconnect this. Okay, so now I show you how to add logo in your PDF format. So here I generate another PDF as a Radical 3. Here you can add your logo as you want. Here I add one logo of my company. So it will show on the file which you save. Now I save here on my desktop Radical Tech 3. So it is saved successfully. Now we can check where it can be saved. Now I close this software and we can check where my file is saved. It is saved on desktop. So I close this window. We disconnect this and then we close it. Okay. So now I close this software and we can check our file on desktop. Here you can see Radical Tech 3. Our data saved successfully. You can see this, my data in PDF format with time and date. You can see this. My name was Radical 3. So here it shows. And my logo is there. So our data successfully saved on my desktop. So you can save your data. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about our hardware setup which we have used for this software. You can see here one temperature scanner of our Make Radical TechArt. We use this 8-channel data logger and also we use one ATC 820 RS485 converter. So you can see here 8-channel data output with live data. You can see this with this software. So here we recommend some hardware and software requirements. You can see the followings. It can be used only for Windows 10 or 8.1 or 8. Also 4 to 6 GB RAM. Adobe Acrobat for PDF reading is must be included. Any controller or scanner with RS485 output, USB to RS485 converter, refine as needed. You can see here how we connect our device. Any device which gives RS485 Modbus output can connect like this. So now in this video we are also going to talk on the features of the smart software. The features are followings below. Online monitoring, data logging and reporting, supports third-party Modbus, RS485 or TCP IP devices, tamper-proof data management, error detection, CSV and PDF format generation, 21 CFR Part 11 compliances feature. These all are included with this smart software. So yes, if you need any type of software to generate your data report, we Radical TechArt will provide you the best solutions as per your requirements. As we mentioned in our video, you can use any process device with this software. And before we finish today's video, be sure to click the like button below. If you love our video, make sure to click subscribe and the bell icon to receive notifications of our upcoming videos. Thank you.